Hi, I'm Rodri Davis, Territory Manager for Horizon Agricultural Machinery. Today, I'm delighted to introduce you to our MDSX mounted no-till disc drill. The MDSX is a mounted no-till disc drill. It's designed to offer the same high-performance row unit and modularity that the DSX offers, through a smaller, more agile 3-point linkage platform. The frame is configurable with a variety of working widths, row spacings, liquid tanks and granular hoppers, and the row unit can also be customized to meet our customer-specific requirements. All these different options and configurations allow operators to create bespoke seeding systems to suit their needs. The MDSX is available in 3 different platforms: our rigid toolbar 3-meter MDSX, our folding 4 to 6-meter MDSX, and our 3-section folding 7.5 to 9-meter MDSX. All of these platforms and working widths maintain a transport width within the EU road limits of 3 meters wide and 4 meters tall. The narrow design of the DSX row unit means we can offer row spacings as narrow as 22 centimeters, as well as 25 centimeters. The MDSX offers the same row unit found on our trailed machines, the Gen 3 DSX row unit. The row unit is the most technologically advanced on the market, offering independent parallelograms and gauge wheel position at the point of seeding for unrivaled seeding depth, control and consistency. The clamping toolbar profile makes adjusting row spacings much easier, whilst also providing an extremely robust connection. The parallelogram design offers up to 300 kilos of downforce, 370 millimeters of travel and extreme strength even in the most challenging conditions. This amount of travel means the row unit can follow contours in the soil extremely effectively, ensuring consistent seed depth and closing, all with low maintenance, long life bushings and bearings with 0 grease nipples on the entire row unit. The Gen 3 row unit features a 470mm seeding disc with a 10-degree undercut on the y-axis and a 7-degree left to right on the x-axis. These 2 angles combined help give penetration with minimal downforce. The gauge wheel is positioned right at the point of seeding, which gives us perfect depth control right across the machine. Next, we have our D-cup diffusers, taking 100% of the air out of the pipe. Removing air gives you gravity-fed seed to the slot, reducing the chances of seed bounce. At the back of the row unit, we have our closing system, which is pneumatically controlled, giving anywhere from 6 kilos to 90 kilos of down pressure on our closing system. Other options available for the row units are pneumatically controlled row cleaners, seed firming wheels, and other options for closing wheels such as rubber closing wheels. We also have stabilizer wheels fitted on the 5, 6, 7.5, 8 and 9 meter machines, not required on the 3 or 4 meter machines. As an option, we can offer the MDSX weight transfer kit, which allows the operator to transfer any weight between 0 and 800 kilos from the tractor linkage directly to the MDSX row unit. Alternatively, we can also offer wing weight kits with removable weight plates. The MDSX can be combined with our Horizon front tank or a customer's existing third-party hopper. The Horizon front tank is well suited to the MDSX as it provides a pressurized hopper split 60-40 with 2 metering systems, allowing the operator to direct seed into a variety of different configurations, sowing all rows, sowing only alternator rows, or sowing 2 different products. The MDSX can also be configured with a GH400, an additional 400-litre granular hopper mounted onto the MDSX frame, or a 750 liquid tank which allows application of liquid products. The MDSX is ideal for farmers looking to operate an extremely capable no-till disc drill on a 3-point linkage platform. The wide range of options and configurations allows farmers to create a unique seeding machine specifically suited to their requirements, all in an agile and lightweight package. To learn more or to arrange a demonstration, get in touch with us or your local dealer.